Hello everyone, today we'll be studying about the rate, ratio and the proportion. So let's begin with the formula of the rate. The rate is the number of the events, death or the disease in a specified period divided by population at risk of experiencing the event into 10 to the power n, that is the multiplier. As seen in the formula, 3 items of the information are necessary for the rate to have the epidemiologic usefulness, that is the numerator of the fraction, that means the number of the persons affected, and the denominator, that is the person among whom the affected persons are observed, among whom these people are observed. Then we have the specification of the time. The denominator is commonly called the related or reference population. So let's talk about the example. For example, let us take the prevalence of the caries in 5,000 school going children. During oral examination, out of 5,000 children, 20,000 children had the caries. Therefore, the prevalence rate of the caries will be 20,000 experiencing caries divided by total 5,000 school going children into 10 to the power 1000. This is the multiplier. That is 1000, which is the multiplier, equals to 4, and the answer is 400 per 1000. In the rate, the numerator also forms the part of the denominator. In 5,000 school going children, which is the denominator, 2,000 had the disease and 3,000 were normal. In the rate, there is multiplier. Here it is 1000. It is expressed per 1000 or some other round figure related so as to avoid. Ratio denotes the relation in size between the two random quantities. In ratio, the numerator is not the part of denominator. For example, the incidence of the gingivitis in the pregnant woman is 20 is in 1000 population, and in non-pregnant woman it is 10 in 1000 population. Then the gingivitis ratio is written as gingivitis in the pregnant woman is to gingivitis in non-pregnant woman, that is 20 is to 10, that is 2 is to 1. In simpler terms, the ratio can be expressed in the result of one quality divided by the other and is usually represented by the formula ratio is equals to A is to B or A by B. Other example is male in class versus that is male in class is to female in class.
The third is,
so the proportion, in the proportion, the numerator is always the part of denominator. It is usually expressed in percentage. So the formula is number of the person or events with the particular characteristics divided by the total number of the persons or the events of which the numerator is a subset into 10 to the power n, that is the multiplier. For example, the number of the female children with the dental caries divided by total number of children with the dental caries in 10 to the power 100. This will give the proportion in the percent of the females with the